Hello, my name is Josiah Kostek of AWS Mining, and it looks like you recently heard about our company. Well, I'd like to take a moment and share some information with you about our amazing program and how you can benefit from the ever-growing cryptocurrency market. AWS Mining launched August 2017 as a cloud mining service offering anyone in the world the possibility to earn an income mining online digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies, as they're called, reside entirely online and are not governed by any third-party intermediaries. They are totally regulated by users like you and me, who can freely buy, sell, and trade on the open market. Imagine a system that allows you to transact immediately with anyone, anywhere in the world. AWS offers you a simple and affordable way to benefit from this worldwide phenomenon. AWS Mining is headquartered in Sydney, Australia, and currently operates over half a dozen data centers around the globe that are mining digital coins around the clock, with several more facilities scheduled to be opening in the coming months. By utilizing a cloud mining service like AWS, you gain the ability to earn cryptocurrency without having to procure your own expensive equipment, gain technological knowledge, or incur costly maintenance and electrical utility fees. Our facilities are strategically placed in areas where cheap energy is available in abundance, tax laws are flexible, and our relationship with suppliers allow us to be able to purchase equipment at a great rate. This also allows our members to benefit greatly and to see more earnings on their contracts with AWS Mining. In a very brief period of time, AWS Mining has grown to become one of the world's top resellers of cryptocurrency mining contracts and is ranked #1 in issuing payments. These payments are made every 24 hours, and as you watch your contracts grow, you will enjoy never being charged any monthly fees, affiliate fees, or transfer fees by AWS. Imagine, in as little as a few minutes' time, you can start producing and earning digital currencies online for as little as $40. And the process is simple. All you have to do is get back to the person who showed you this video and ask for their sponsor code. Then visit our website at awsmining.com. From there, you'll choose and customize the perfect plan for you, and with your sponsor's help, purchase it right there online. Don't let another moment pass you by without taking a serious look at AWS Mining and all the cryptocurrency market has to offer. We look forward to having you join our mission and help bring a new wave of financial wealth and stability to everyone worldwide. Ask for our special AWS Mining Team Nova presentation video and get all the details today.